Hello, Vanakkam, Namaste, Salam Alaikum. This is AJ390. This is Chikmagalur, the beauty of Chikmagalur behind me. We are in the middle of some jungle. Welcome to another video.
Here we go.
Guys, once we just finished breakfast now, we'll just head out to go for some good trekking. So the time now is 10:20. Yeah, it is definitely late to go for a trek. But this is what the homestay guy said. We can leave by about 10:30. So I'm just cleaning the helmets over here after all the mud and off-road riding yesterday. Helmets are really dusty. I'm just cleaning that. Another part, after the off-road, we are also going ahead with, after the trekking, we are also going off-road, which means we are taking the bikes off-road, and I should be able to get some nice shots over there. So far it's been a very chilled out day. So we are planning to explore this place. I'm planning to capture a lot of shots for you guys of this place. It's a very, very beautiful place. And if you're traveling to Chikmagalur, you should prefer staying here. It's just amazing. The campfire, the time lapse what you saw in the previous video. Oh my god, the places these guys have is just out of the world. So yeah, just going for a quick breakfast now. Just clean these helmets. I got 2 helmets to clean here. Post that we'll head for breakfast and then we go off to trekking. I'll see you in a bit, guys. Video. Washing the leaf, doing a good puja, digested properly. It shouldn't get digested for her. Digested properly. Hello. You'll be famous, bro. Living on YouTube. Most cutest pets competition. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Hello. No. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Come. Yeah, we just finished our nice food breakfast and we are just here trekking. So it's a very beautiful place. You just come across our homestay. Very good experience so far. Just loving the trek. As you guys can see, it's just beautiful. Yeah, just carrying a backpack with some water to keep ourselves hydrated because it's a 1.5 hour trek. So we've done about 10-15 minutes where we did walk on the tarred road for a few meters and then we came up here. So the others are there up in the front. Very nice experience. And we also put our tents, like I mentioned yesterday, near our homestay. So I would be showing that as well a little later. Wow, just look at this, all natural water, beautiful. Orange from the trees there, he's our guide for the trek. So he's climbed the tree in no time. Raj, you want to try it? Oh no! Okay, I'll stop vlogging, bye. Oh my god. Crazy this thing they have, man. Talent. Everybody, sir. Fresh orange from the trees. Can't get better than this. Smells good.
Amazing.
See how fresh this looks. The juice like literally dripping off the orange. Oh my god. Ah. Done about 20 minutes of trekking. Everything smells so nice and fresh. Oops. "20 minutes up the trek." So if you see here in the backdrop, that's super steep, almost a 90-degree climb. Oof, almost. Let's keep going. Come on, Raj, let's go. To 40 minutes from the trek. If you see on the backdrop here where I'm pointing the stick there, that's where we would be going. And the guy who's actually guiding us has told us that from there you will get a complete view of what you see down here, this place, completely from the top. It's not all that hot, but in trek you definitely sweat a lot. Still climbing, going really good. Loving the place. Just crouching, going down. Oh. You can somehow see the view there. Right there, I'm not sure if the camera can actually capture it, but you can see a pretty good view already. So that's where we came from. Exactly there. Let's keep going.
Right in front of the camera.
Chalo.
Viraj, hold the trees and walk, you'll get support.
Ah. Deep in the woods. Almost there. Almost. This is little bit of the view that we have here. Huh? What happened? Wait, I'll come. Let's keep going. Another 45 minutes. There. Oh. My God. Huh? Oh my God. Okay, let's turn the camera around. Let's go a little closer. Go a little down. Careful.
Just under.
Yeah, that was a good time lapse what you guys just saw over there. It's a pretty nice chilled out place. And the best part is you have complete 4G geo here, and so we were all on phones uploading pictures and stuff. So time to head back down now and get some good lunch. And yeah guys, in the evening we would be going to this betta over there, what you see. That is called, sorry, that one. That's called the Rangana Betta. So we're going there for sunset. And we would be able to ride the bikes off-road like I said earlier, so that should be fun. For now we are going off-road on foot. Selfie time. We just spotted a wild beast. Watch him come down now. 1, 2, 3. There he comes, the wild beast. Here he is, and he's going for it. Hey, he's about the race. trick, we just freshened up a little bit, excluding me. So we're just having some authentic lunch over here. How's it?
Nati
Too good, right? Nati koli. That is countryside chicken.
country chicken.
Country chicken, sorry. So he's the guy who's also taking care of us. His name is Srinidhi and and Umesh. So they are preparing really good food for us, which is amazing. After every activity we do, it's very amazing. So yeah, let's get eating.
And yeah, now it is sunset time, so we're just heading out to Rangana Betta. So that's where we would be able to see a very good sunset. I'll pair one sec. So yeah, we're just going in all the 3 bikes. We're taking all the 3 bikes. It's supposed to be off-road. So yeah, we're not completely geared up. So we're just going about 2 kilometers from here. And yeah, so he's our guide, our caretaker. So he's going to take us there. Let's see how good the place is.
That was a good 3 kilometers off-road with the pillion rider. It's pretty good. Oops. Almost tripped. So yeah, we got to climb about 250-300 stairs here, which is called the Rangana Swami Betta Hill. Betta's hill though. So if you see here, got to climb up and up till there. So we parked our bikes down there, and you got to remove your footwear. So I've left the helmet as well on the bike, locked it up. Lucky I carried a cable. So yeah, works good. Let's see how the views on top and get a good sunset. Just the perfect kind of lighting setup for a good vlog. Steps here. Let's go. Close to 26 plus years old. 26 plus, I'm not saying exactly 26 years, but 26 plus. So it can be 30, 35 as well. There was a temple there, the dark section, what I showed you guys. Pretty neat. So we just finished our off-road and came back to the room now. So here's the picture of the place where we have pitched the tent. It's on the screen right now. And yeah, post that we're just heading out to the campfire side. So there's nothing much we will be doing right now. We're just going to chill out. Today is the 31st. Obviously this video will be uploaded 2-3 days later because of the internet connection. And yeah, that's said and done. It's been a wonderful ride so far. It's coming to an end, 6 days of riding. Tomorrow we're riding back to Bangalore. We're not going anywhere. So it's just going to be Chikmagalur to Bangalore, 270 kilometers. And yeah, that's about it. If you've enjoyed the series of videos so far, you should be hitting the subscribe button. Hit that like button. Share these videos to people who love to travel and get some more information on the places we have stayed. So if you have any doubts, any clarifications regarding the route, the bikes or whatever it is, feel free to hook me up with a message. I'll be there. So as always guys, ride safe, ride hard and have a kick-ass new year. Peace.